Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change color of something in Photoshop using Hue. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Photoshop. You can see that I already selected a random image. Then you need to click on adjustments, and then you need to click on hue and saturation, and then you need to click on the red color that you want to change, and then you need to click on this slider and slide this so you can see that the color is changing. And now I'm going to show you some other colors. Okay, and increase the saturation so it look more good. So you can see that how easily I can change color using hue in Adobe Photoshop. And if you want to turn off, you can turn it off and see the original color. So by following these steps, you can easily change color in Photoshop using Hue. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.